Today we are going to see how to fry fryums using microwave. The fryums can be of any size or shape. Place them in the microwave plate. See to that there is enough space between each fryums. You can see how I have placed them by keeping some gap in between each fryums. Now set the time to 1 minute and 10 seconds. Time can vary according to the number of fryums you fry. Now the fryums are ready. Now you can see they are well fried. And it's similar to what you get through by frying them in oil. So you can see the fryums are ready and they have the same coloration and crispiness as you get by frying them in oil. And that's how you can eat fryums without using oil in a healthy way. And you can see the same crispiness can be attained by using microwave.